Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership in Shopify. So in order to do this, now if you want to transfer your ownership, so just on the right down side you can find the setting option. So just click on setting, and after that now search for users and permissions, and now click here, and after that click on transfer ownership. Now here type the email of the person you want to transfer the ownership. After type her name, first name and last name. Now what you need to do, just click on transfer ownership. So when the second person accepted your invitation, your ownership will be successfully transferred. So in this way you can easily transfer ownership to any person in Shopify.